Hi guys, welcome to this session in Google Docs. In this module, I want to show you how you can create a table of contents in Google Docs. So first of all, I need to use heading styles. You get heading styles from this area on the toolbar. If you drop the arrow down, you'll see different types of heading styles. Heading 1, Heading 2, Heading 3, and then you've got options where you can create your own styles or add other ones. But I'm going to use for this Heading 1 and then type my first title, which is going to be Introduction. Now when you press enter, notice at the top here that it flicked back to normal text. So that is Heading 1, but now I've come down, it is a normal text. I'll come down another line and then just type some information. I'll just hit the keys. So I've got like a paragraph going across. And then I'm going to create another heading style. Just press enter again. Call this part 1. Do it a different way. So now I want this to be heading style 2. So if I just highlight this, go back up to the normal text area and select heading 2. There you go. And then underneath that and back to normal, type some more text like so. That's going to be my paragraph all the way across. And then again coming down, I'll do part 3. Don't know what happened to part 2, but part 3. Highlight it, go and select it in there, heading 2 again. Now you can see you've got this option, so you could set a style. I'll just click on that one first. You could set a style when you've just typed it and then save that as the heading style that you want to use going forward in time. So now I'll just do my last paragraph. That'll do. Now I need to create a space at the top to do the table of contents. So if I press enter there, come back up, and then the feature, once you've used heading styles like this, is in the insert menu. Now I'm going to open this page up as well, because this also gives you a navigation feature for heading styles, not to do with table of contents, but just so you know that. Now I'm going to put the table of contents there. So it's insert, coming down to the bottom where it says page elements, coming across from there, table of contents, and you've got 3 options that you can select. I'm going for the middle one. These are just layout options. It's totally up to you. And then that will place that in there like so. Now when you click into this, you can see you've got like a little refresh icon. Now I'm going to go down and add another one. So this time I'll get to the bottom there. I'll change the heading style first. I'll do a heading style 3 actually. Come across heading style 3, and then this can be part 2, heading style 3, and then some text like so. Go back up to the top into the table of contents, refresh, and then all the information updates. So that's all I want to talk about in this little video, how you can create a table of contents based on heading styles that will automatically update when you click the refresh button. So hopefully this video is of use. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you on the next one.